Do you know why creative mindset is the most demanded skill of the new age? Let's know a creative mindset. A creative mind is the reason behind many innovations that has made our lives easier. Innovation is not only limited to developing a novel technology or inventing a new product, but also seeking the innovative solutions to the issues and a new way of observing things in the world. What makes creative mindset the 21st skill? Creativity is a valued workplace skill as it is a beneficial tool for developing novel ideas, increasing productivity, and creating solutions to difficult problems. Creative mindset leads to new thinking. Creativity leads to a positive attitude. It makes kids more confident. How can kids achieve a creative mindset? While kids may have their natural creativity skills in definite forms, it is a skill that can be educated and developed over time. Few ways through which kids can achieve this creativity are: reading more often, learning new skills, learning ways to solve every problems, getting opportunities to showcase their abilities, feeding their curiosity. One-stop solution for nurturing creative mindset. Allowing kids to explore and learn various skills can instill creativity in them and helping them to evaluate their abilities. Therefore, involving kids in programs that make them smarter and give them a real-world experience is the ideal way to enhance their creativity. LogiQminds can help you. With LogiQminds profound activities and programs, your kids get an opportunity to explore various fields and be more creative by learning new skills every day through practical approach.